Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I want to show you how to install the MediaOn player to your Android TV or Android TV box. If you find the video helpful, you know what to do, like and subscribe.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has a 116 GB space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So this is my Android TV box I'm going to use to describe this, and we are going to be installing this application without the use of Play Store. So in that case, we are going to need the downloader application. So if you don't have downloader, please search it up on Google to install it, or there is a video in the description here on how to install it. So please just check out that video and install downloader. So after installing downloader, you have to go over here and type in this code that we need. The code is 28907 28907. As you type in this code, you just go ahead and launch. What is going to happen is that this code is going to bring us to a website called firetvsticks.com, and it has almost, I don't know, most of the applications that you and I will need on Android TV and Fire TV. So the creator of this website is called Tan, and she's on YouTube. You can check her out by searching Fire TV Sticks. So kudos to you, Tan, for this website. So it has categories. Once you're here, it says Media On is a media player. You just go to the category of media player, and you're going to see all the media players here. So we are searching for the MediaOn media player, and here's it. So here's it over here, and this media player was lastly updated a month ago. So you go over here and you click it. You click the option that says it, and here's it. So just click on it once. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this install page. So just scroll down a little bit and you see the download button, and then you click on it. So once you click on this download button, the application is going to start downloading straight away. Once it's done downloading, we can install. So let me just wait for it to download. Now, when the application is downloaded, there is going to be an install button. So I already have the application here on my Android TV, so I can't install it again. I can just update it. But in your case, there's going to be an install button. What you have to do is just click on the install, and it will install. In my case, is the update. So that's just it. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this.